Hi guys, those of you who don't know me, my name is Dinkle and today I'm here to show you all how to make 5 tops out of one scarf. That's right, 5 tops out of one scarf, and you don't need anything, just one square scarf and you're ready to go. No stitching, nothing. I'm actually starting this channel to show some quick DIYs and fashion hacks that I have been using for years and to show that little things can bring big time changes in your outfit and your look. So I thought, why not just film it and put it on YouTube? So if you like the concept, do subscribe. All you need today is one square scarf. That's it. Nothing else. One scarf. And we need to learn one fold today. That's the triangle fold. That's it. That's it. We are ready to go. Hi guys, I hope you loved the videos and it was informative enough. Do leave your feedback in the comments. I really need to know. It was my first video and I'll be making more of these every week and uploading them. So like and subscribe. Bye bye.